Now let's do a game called Prison Visitor, and Josie Lawrence is going to be the prison visitor. If you'd like to come on down. And she's visiting in prison, first of all, Tony and then Mike. And Tony will sing his problems to her with the assistance of Richard Vranch at the piano. Now, Tony, we imagine he's stolen something, but can anyone suggest something quite big that he might have stolen? He's stolen a bank, a jumbo jet. I think it's slightly more realistic to have stolen a jumbo jet than a whole bank. But, OK, so you've stolen a jumbo jet, and that's naturally causing you some angst while in prison. Please sing that to Josie.
I'll tell you about my problem.
All right, then.
Thanks. I got a problem, I'm in such pain. I stole myself a gigantic plane. I don't mean to bore ya, I don't mean to rant, but I put a 747 down my pants. I try to walk away in a straight line, but it was...
Now I think you must be insane. What a silly place to put a plane.
I know.
You know what I mean. You're gonna be a long time in this plane. You're gonna die and go to heaven, 'cause it ain't no good way you've stuck your 747.
Yeah, OK, excellent. Yep. So, now, Mike, he hasn't stolen anything. He smuggled something into the country. What do you think he smuggled? A grandfather clock. No, I like that's the most unusual one. Grandfather clock you smuggled into the country. Oh. Take it away, Mike.
What did you do, baby?
Oh, baby, I did it for us, OK? You know my grandfather clock in the house, the one with the family of the cute brown mouse. Well, my grandfather died and he willed it to me. They took it away from me, I took it back. They took it away and I ran away, Jack. Now I stole the clock, what can I do, baby?
I can hide the grandfather clock. I can shove it up my bum. But I'll be in a lot of pain with the swing from the pendulum.
Oh, yes, yes!
I know what I'll do. I'll hide it in my frock. So don't you worry, I'll look after your grandfather clock. Clock, 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 clock.
Well, what a wealth of imagery we had in that song. I shall scarcely be able to look at my grandfather clock or indeed grandfather ever again. Anyway, a few points there for Josie.